King's Honor, friend. We're going to be making a real dessert item from the official World of Warcraft cookbook. Today, we're making Moser's Magnificent Muffins, or for short, Moser is the Muffin Man, and for those who can't travel to Shattrath City to taste his baked goods, this recipe is the next best thing.
We're here at
Brand name grocery store
to get our ingredients.
First, you're gonna need some muffin liners,
Next, some milk.
apple cider vinegar.
Applesauce.
Is it really sauce if you don't put it on anything? Or is it just a smoothie?
Brown sugar.
Vegetable oil.
So you're gonna need exactly 1 egg,
Butter.
All-purpose flour.
Vanilla.
ground cinnamon as opposed to sky cinnamon,
Ground ginger. Gotta add that zest.
Ground nutmeg.
Rolled oats.
Baking powder.
Next, you're gonna need some good old sodium bicarbonate.
Confectioner's sugar.
And last but not least, maple syrup. Now let's get back home.
Let's get cooking! First, you preheat the oven to 180 degrees Fahrenheit. Or, for you stupid Americans, 350 degrees Fahrenheit.
Next, line the muffin tin with liners. In a medium bowl, put in 1 cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, half a cup of applesauce, half a cup of brown sugar, 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, 1 egg, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Then thoroughly mix. Next, add 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of ground ginger, 1 cup of rolled oats, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Put in 1 cup of flour, stir it into the mixture, then put another cup of flour and stir again. Carefully and evenly pour the batter into the muffin liners. Sarah, you're gonna spill it!
No, I'm not!
Next, we make the streusel topping for the muffins. In another bowl, put in 1/3 cup of flour, 1/3 cup of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, half a cup of rolled oats, then put in 3 tablespoons of butter. If the butter is unsalted, add a pinch of salt. With your hands, rub the butter into the other ingredients. Once the butter is properly mixed in with the other ingredients, sprinkle the streusel into the muffins and press them into the batter.
Let's get bacon shaken. Let's get shaken bacon. You know what I mean?
Let the muffins bake for 25 minutes.
Beep, beep, beep.
Now it's time to take the muffins out and let them cool. While the muffins cool, we'll make the maple nutmeg icing. In a small bowl, add 1 cup of confectioner's sugar, a dash of vanilla, a pinch of ground nutmeg, and 2 teaspoons of maple syrup. Gradually add 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk until the icing has a nice thick consistency. Now you're ready to drizzle the icing over the muffins. Finally, you're ready to enjoy Moser's Magnificent Muffins.